Hi, good morning all. How are you all? Fine? Yes, you all have finished your breakfast. Yes, all are ready to study, is it? Yes, so shall we start? So, before introducing the chapter or before introducing the concept, I want to tell you one thing. So, from this week, we completed our 9th standard maths chapter. So just think what all concepts that you studied. Not me. I completed all the portions except the deleted one. But how many portions you studied? Just revise and think. And just take your paper and write down what all topics you know. Okay. So then you will understand where is your level. Okay. So there is a humble request from my part. Just write down which are topics you know from your 9th standard chapter, how many videos you watch, and all things you can notice. What I am saying is that when I go through my YouTube channel, I found that there is a decrease in viewing hours. Viewing hours means total 123 students are there, out of which each video consists of 30 minutes, minimum 30. So while taking the average time, that will not be matched, because in that video itself on that channel I can see how many hours do you watch the video. So my dear students, so don't cheat me, because that much, not me, for the teachers, because that much effort they are taking to shoot the shoot the video and upload the video and all things. Most of the teachers didn't sleep at night due to the uploading process. That's why I'm saying cutting and all things. So many editing works are there. So please, it's a humble request. Those who didn't watch the class, please at the last minute take the permission from the teacher and make the video as viewable or public, as viewed as public, and please watch it. Okay, so this is a starting introduction to you. Anyway, it's a, what is it? It's a very sad for me, because that much effort each teacher, not me, each teacher is taking. That's why I'm saying. Okay, no problem at all. Leave it all again, all it, and we'll move to the chapter. What is the chapter? Surface area and volumes. Is it the last chapter? So what are things we discussed? Shall we start asking the formulas one by one? Yes, so listen here please. So first one, what is the total surface area of the cuboid? Total surface area, TSA of the cuboid. Yes, very good. 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. What is the lateral surface area of the cuboid? 2 into L plus B into H. Okay. Then what is the volume of the cuboid? Simple, LBH. About cube we are moving. What is the total surface area of the cube? Yes, please say 6a square. So all of you know that, is it? What is the lateral surface area of the cube? Lateral. How many faces are there? 4. So 4a square. What is the volume of the cube? A into A into A cube. That you already know. That two things you know. Cylinder also you studied in 8th, and that also I think you are easy to handle, is it? Yes. So we'll start. CSA of the cylinder. CSA. Yes, 2 pi R into H. What is the TSA of the cylinder? TSA, total surface area of the cylinder. 2 pi R into R plus H. What is the volume of the cylinder? Pi R square H. That much thing you already studied. The additional thing you studied today, this year, is only cone. What is the CSA of the cone? Pi RL. Simple, pi RL. Then what is the total surface area of the cone? Pi R into R plus L. Pi R into R plus L. Okay. Then what is the volume of the cone? 1 by 3 cylinder, volume of the cylinder. 1 by 3 into pi R square H. And what is the relationship between L, H and R? L square is equal to R square plus H square. Okay. These much things we studied in this chapter. And we completed the problems based on cone, up to cone, that is surface area, total surface area we finish. Today we are discussing about the volume of the cone. In this section, all the simple questions are done by you only. I will not write on the board. Only steps I will say. You have to work out and you have to find the answer to the question. And if the difficult questions is anyone is there, I will write on the board. Okay. I will write just formulas only. I am writing here. And what are the there is R represents what, that thing I will write here. And final steps you have to write, and only answer I will write here. You have to find whether your answer is right or wrong. Okay. So otherwise that will not be lively. All the questions I will write on the board, you all copying that. Is it? So just think and do by yourself and find out whether your answer is right or wrong. Shall we start? Okay. Yes. Please take your textbook. Before that, I will write the formula here. What is the volume of the cone? Volume of the cone. Volume of the cone is equal to, what is the formula? Is 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. 1/3 of volume of the cylinder is what? Pi r square. Yes, listen here. We need r and s for finding the volume of the cone. R represents radius and h represents height. And what is the relationship between L, h and r? L square is equal to r square plus h square. This also we need. So these two formulas are using here. Okay, so shall we start doing the problems? Yes, please take your textbook. Page number 232. Page number 232, example 15. Page number 232, example 15. What is the question? The height and slant height of a cone are 21 and 28 centimeter respectively. Find the volume of the cone. Height is given, is it? What is the height? Given as height is equal to what? 21 centimeter. And slant height means what? L. L is given as what? 28 centimeter. Okay. So find the volume of the cone. If you need the volume of the cone, what is our formula? 1/3 pi r square. So r and h are needed. But here only h and r are there. But we don't have r. So how will you find r? That's our first question. How will you find r? Where we can find r? By using this formula, is it? So please write r. First write in the question, after that you have write h is equal to 21 centimeter, L is equal to 28 centimeter. Write on this formula. L square is equal to r square plus h square. Okay, L square is what? 28 square is equal to r square plus h square is what? 21 square. Yes, so L square is equal to r square plus h square, is it? So from this, please substitute L square, that is 28 square is equal to r square plus 21 square. Up to that you write. Just find out what is 28 square. Value is, please write down what is the value? 784. And what is h square? 21 square is what? Yes, 441. And subtracting, what is the answer you got? R square will be equal to 243 you got. Okay, now we have to find r. That is our question, is it? So just factorize 343. By 3 can we move? No, because 3 plus 4, 7 plus 3, 10 only. If it is a multiple of 3, then only we can factorize by 343. But you already know the 7 into 7. By 7 you can write 49. Again by 7, 7. By 7, 7. Sorry, by 7 it is 1. So you can write r will be equal to what? 7 root 7 centimeter. 7 root 7 centimeter is our radius. Okay, now we can find, substitute the formula. Okay, so please write down this message and write down volume of the cone is equal to, no need to wait for writing the answer. Along with me also you can write. Okay, that is the easy way. Because it's a simple questions and you didn't take, if it is a tough question, I will write all the steps on the board. Then you can listen the class and do by yourself. Other thing you can do it with me itself. Okay, so 1/3 into pi value 22/7 into r square, 7 root 7 into 7 root 7 into height is 21. After cancelling, what is the answer you got? Please do it. 1/3 into 22/7 into 7 root 7 into 7 root 7 into 21. Okay, so please find out and you will got the answer as 7546 centimeter volume, so cube. This will be your answer. So please do by yourself. Then root 7 into root 7 will come. Root 7 into root 7 is what? 7 itself. Okay. So 1 7 cancel. So you have to count 22 into 7 into 7 into 21. Okay. By 3. That you have to find the answer. Okay. So please write down and whether you got this answer or not. Please do it. Next we will move to the exercise question. So 13.7 first question. That is our first question. Okay. Find the volume of the right circular cone with the radius 6 and height 7. So radius will be given as 6 centimeter and height will be given as 7 centimeter. You have to find what? Volume of the right circular cone. So I will write the formula here. Volume of cone is equal to, what is the formula? Along with me, please say 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, so please substitute 1 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7 into radius 6 into 6 height 7. Okay, so 7 and 7 cancel. 3 and 6 cancel, remaining 2, and the final answer, please do it, and the final answer will be given as, so please do it now itself, not waste for the homework questions, now itself we have to do. Okay, the final answer is 264 centimeter cube. You will got the answer as 264 centimeter cube. Okay, so please, whether you got this answer or not, please do it. Okay, hope all of you got the answer. Next we will move to the next one. Same, first part, second question. Okay, 13.7 first question, second part. Okay, that question I will do because point is there. You may be a little bit confused. Okay, so R is given as what? 3.5. Radius is given as 3.5 centimeter and height is given as what? 12 centimeter. Okay, so volume of the cone. Volume of the cone will be formula. What is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is equal to 1 by 3 into pi value is what? 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5. Is it? 3.5 you can write as 7 by 2. Is it correct or wrong? 3.5 is what? The half of 7 only. That is the easy method because when you see the point you may be a little bit worried. So how to solve this? So this is the easy method to convert into fraction. Okay. So 3.5 can be written as 7 by 2. So r square is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 you can write. Into height is what? 12. Okay. So 7 and 7 directly cancel. And 2 and 22 cancel 11. Then 2 and 12 cancel 6. 3 and this will be cancelled and 3 and 6 cancelled 2. Okay. So what is the final answer? 11 into 7 into 2 only will come. That is 77 into that 2. That is 154 centimeter cube is our answer. Very simple question. But one thing you have to notice is 3.5 is changed to 7 by 2. That is the easy method. That 7 and 7 will be cancelled. Okay. That thing you have to be in your mind. Okay. So shall we move to the next question? Yes, so please, those who didn't get the answer, please do it. Okay, next question. Find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel with radius and slant height is given. Is it? Radius is given as what? Radius is given as 7 centimeter and slant height that represents what? L. L is given as what? 25 centimeter. In this question, you have to find out H. Is it? What is the volume of capacity means what? Volume itself. So, volume of the cone is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. So, there we need H. Slant height and height are different. That you already know. Is it? Slant height. Listen here please once again. This is a cone and slant height means this one. Slant height L. And height means what? This perpendicular distance from the midpoint of the circle or the center of the circle, that is the height. This will be the radius. So slant height and height are entirely different. So what you have to do is you have to first find out what is L. What is the relationship between L, H and R? Yes, what is that? L square is equal to R square plus H square. This question I will do. Next question you have to do by yourself. Okay. So that is L square is 25 square is equal to R square is 7 square plus H square. Okay. So right here H square will be equal to this, move to this side. So 25 square minus 7 square. 25 square is 625 minus 7 square is 49. So that will give us 15 6, then 11 7, 576. So H will be equal to what? Root 576. That will be equal to 24 itself. So 24 centimeter is the height of this cone. Now you have to find volume. So volume of the cone is equal to, what is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is equal to 1 by 3 into pi value what? 22 by 7. R is what you got as 7. So 7 into h is what you got now as 24. Okay. So 7 and 7 cancel. Then 3 and 24 cancel. 8 will come. Then balance is what? 22 into 7 into 8 is our answer. That is equal to 22 into 7 into 8 will come. Is it? Yes. 22 into 7 is what? 154. The previous question you already got. Is it 154 into what? 8. So 32 2 remainder 3. 43 3 remainder 4. So that you got as 1232 centimeter cube is the volume. Okay. But our question is volume in liters. Is it? So 1 centimeter cube is corresponds to what? 1 liter is equal to what? 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 by 1000 liters. That is, you have to convert this into liter. It means divide by 1000. Okay. Divide by 1000 means what? 1.232 liters. 1.232 liters. That is, while convert to centimeter to cube liter, just divide by 1000 only. Okay, that is our answer. Hope you clear this question. So please, those who didn't get the answer, please do it now. Second question also I will do now because maybe it will be confusing for you. So height is given as what? 12 centimeter, and one more given is there. Slant height is given as what? 13 centimeter. Okay. So we need to find what? One volume of this cylinder. Volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h is there. Is it? R we need. But here r is not there. So you have to find r. So which is the formula? L square is equal to r square plus h square. That is 13 square is equal to r square plus 12 square. 13 square is 169. R square plus, please write down with me itself, 144. So R square will be equal to what? 169 minus 144. That is equal to 25. So R will be equal to what? 5 centimeter. Okay. Then volume. Volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square. Don't wait for after completing this. Please write down with me. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is what? 5. 5 into height is what? 12. Okay. So here 3 and 12 cancel by 4. That's the only thing we can do. Then remaining 22 into, so you can write here 5 into 4 20. Is it? 20 into 5 is what? 100. 100 into 22 is 2200. Is it? Divide by 7. Clear? And this centimeters cube is our answer. But we need to convert into liters. Is it? So that is equal to what? 2200 divided by 7 into 1000 will come. Is it? So 2 zeros will be cancelled. And then by 2 it is 11. By 2 it is 5. So remaining 11 by 7 into 5 is 35 liters. 11 by 35 liters. Listen here. Up to this only you have to calculate, and then that divide by 1000 you can do by this here. Otherwise when you get the point and then you have to convert into liters, that will be difficult for you, and that's why I am doing like this. Okay, when you got the fraction, that into 1000 you have to do, that is divide by 1000, that will be in the denominator. So 7 into 1000 will come, after cancelling get us 11 by 35 liters. Here it is in centimeter cube, but our question is in liters, so you have to convert by into liter by dividing by 1000. Okay, so hope you clear this question. So please do it. Okay, next question. What is this 13.7? Third question. Okay, in this question the height of the cone is given. So height is given as 15 centimeter. Okay, then what is given? If the volume is given as what? 1570 centimeter cube, that is given as volume. If find the radius of the base, you have to find, and use pi value is given as 3.14. So you already know volume of a cone. What is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Is it? So volume of the cone is given as 1570 is equal to 1 by 3 into pi value 3.14 into r square into 50. Okay. Then, so you can cancel 3 and 15 here by 5. Is it? So we can write 1570 is equal to 3.14 into 5 into r square. Is it? So you can multiply these two. That we got as what? 14 into 3.14 into 5, 0, remainder to 7, remainder to 15 plus, 15. Then 2 places, so 15.70 into r square will come. Here it is 1570. So r square will be equal to what? 1570 by 15.70. Is it? By avoiding the, or by cancelling the 100, 2 decimal places are there. So into 100, here also into 100 will come. So that becomes 1570, then 20 by multiplying this 1570 will come. So this and this we can cancel, 100 will come. So r square is equal to 100. So radius will be equal to what? 10 centimeter. Radius will be equal to what? 10 centimeter. Simple question. That's why they are giving pi value you can take as 3.14. Okay. So according to our question, you have to change the value of pi. If it is given as 22 by 7, you have to use that value, or it is given as 3.14, you can use that value. According to our question, you can select. Okay. So please do this. Okay, next one, 13.7, fourth question. Okay, if the volume of the right circular cone is of height is 9 centimeter. So a height is given as what? Height is given as 9 centimeter, and volume is given as what? 48 pi centimeter cube. Okay, so you have to find the diameter. Diameter means first of all you have to find the radius. Okay, so please do with me. I will not write, you have to write. I will say. Okay, so write down. Volume of the cone is equal to formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, so that is 48 pi is equal to 1 by 3 pi. You have to write like that because this pi and that pi will be cancelled. Okay, 1 by 3 into pi into r square we don't know, into height is 9. Okay, then 3 and 9 will be cancelled, so 3 will be there. Clear? And in the numerator what is left? 3 into pi is left. Is it clear? Yes, so please write down. In the next line, 48 pi will be equal to 3 pi into what? R square. 3 pi into r square. So r square will be equal to what? 48 pi divided by 3 pi. Pi and pi will be cancelled. 3 and 48 will be cancelled. 16 will get. So r square is equal to what? 16. So r is equal to what? 4. You will get. R will be equal to 4 centimeter. If the radius is 4, what will be the diameter? Double of the radius. Is it? So 2 into 4, that is equal to 8 centimeter. This is our answer. Okay, 8 centimeter. Yes, please take your own time to do this because this I will give as homework questions, but I will explain this. you have to do and check whether you get the answer as 8 centimeter or not. Okay, so we'll move to the next question. Next question, fifth one. A conical pit of top diameter 3.5 meter. So diameter is equal to 3.5. 3.5 we can write as 7 by 2. Is it? And we need radius. Radius will be equal to what? Half of the diameter. So 7 by 2 into half means into 1 by 2. Okay. That is equal to 7 by 4 centimeter. This is the easy method. That's why I am saying you move this way. Okay. Then deep means what? It represents height. So height is equal to 12 centimeter. Centimeter or meter? Yes, sorry, meter. Okay, not centimeter, meter. Okay, we need to find the capacity. Is it? So volume. So please do it. Volume of the cylinder, volume of the cone is equal to, what is the formula? 1 by 3 into pi into r square h. That is equal to, please do it. 1 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7 into 7 by 4 into 7 by 4 into 12. Okay, so please do it. After cancellation, what is the answer you got? Please find out. After cancellation, what is your answer? After cancellation, you got 38.5 meter cube will come. After cancellation, and you get the final answer as 38.5 meter cube. But you have to convert into kiloliters. Is it? Kiloliters means that 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter only. Okay. So you can write 38.5 kiloliters. This much enough. 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter. This thing you have to write. Okay. So the answer will be 38.5 kiloliter. This is also the homework questions, but I explained it. You have to do it and find whether you get this answer or not. Okay. So please do it now. It's not for the after the video. Do it now itself. Next question is little bit long when you see, but short when you do it. Okay. The volume of the right circular cone is given as 9856. Is it? So volume is 9856 centimeter cube or meter cube? Yes, centimeter cube. That is a volume. And diameter is given as what? 28 centimeter. But we don't need diameter, but we need radius. Is it? So radius will be equal to half of this. 28 by 2 is 40 centimeter. Okay. Then we need to find the height of the cone. Is it? So volume of the cone will be equal to, what is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is 9856 will be equal to 1 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7 into radius 40 into 40 into h. Okay. So 7 and 14 cancel. 2 will come. And after solving, please find out the value of h. H will be equal to like this. H will be equal to 9856 into 3 divided by 22 into 2 into 14. After simplification by cancelling, please do it. After cancelling, you get the answer. Height is equal to 48 centimeter. I will not do because in the examination you have to do the calculation. So that's why. So please verify you get the answer as 48 centimeter or not. Okay, so please do it. Then the same question, B part is slant height. Slant height means you have to find here. Is it? So formula L square is equal to R square plus H square. That is 14 square plus 48 square. Is it? So 14 square is what? 196 plus 48 square. 48 into 48. 64. 6 remainder. 6. 32 plus 6 is 38. Then 32 remainder 3. 16 plus 3 is 19. 4. 0 remainder 1. Remainder 1. So 2, 3, 0, 4. So that will be equal to 196, 0, 0 remainder 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 2, 5. So 2500. that you already know. Which one is the square root of 2500? L will be equal to 25. Square root is what? 5. Double 0, you have to take 1 outside, so 50. So answer will be 50 centimeter. That is the slant height. And the third part you already know, curved surface area of the cone. You already know the formula. Is it CSA of the cone is equal to what? Pi RL. Okay, pi is what? 22 by 7. Radius you got as 14. Height is L is what? 15. So please find out. And you got the answer as 2200 centimeter square. 2200 centimeter square. Please check whether you get this answer or not. Very, very important question. Next one, 13.7, 7th question. And in this question, 7 and 8 are combined. So you have tried both the questions together. Okay. In a right triangle ABC with sides 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm is revolved about the side 12 cm. Find the volume of the solid obtained. So what you have to do is just draw a right angle triangle ABC. Okay, right triangle ABC. Okay, and it is revolving around the side 12 cm. So this will be the 12 centimeter. That means 12 centimeter is like this side, and this is revolving this. So if a right triangle is revolving like this, means it gives which shape? Is it cylinder, sphere or cone? Right angle triangle is repeat. You just can do it also. That is, you can just draw a triangle, right triangle, and paste it on a circle or any refill or any stick. Okay, and then you have to revolve that. Which shape you obtain? You get the cone. Okay, so if you are revolving with the side 12 centimeter, that 12 represents its height. That thing you have to be remember. Okay, whichever is revolved, which side is revolving, that side is taken as its height. Okay, and the smaller will be base, and the next side is what? 13. Bigger will be the hypotenuse. Is it clear? So from this you can write radius. This will be the radius, is it? When it is in the shape of a cone, this shape of a cone, this represents radius. R will be 5 centimeter, L will be equal to 13 centimeter, and height will be equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, but our question is what? Find the volume. So volume of the cone. Volume of the cone is equal to, what is the formula? Every time you have to write the formula. Okay, 1 by 3 pi r square h, that is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius 5 into 5 into height is 12. Okay, so you can cancel 4 here. So you already got 4 into 5 is 20. 20 into 5 is 100. So 2200 divided by 7 centimeter cube is our answer. This much enough. Okay. So this you got. Clear? And then we need next. Next is what? Next question is what? If a triangle, listen here, 8th question. If a triangle ABC in the question above is revolving about 5 cm. Sides are same. That is 5 cm, 12 cm, 30 cm are the sides. But here we are revolving in which side? 5 centimeter. Okay, so this will be like this. This will be our height. And which is the smaller one? 12 here. And which is the bigger one? 13 here. Is it clear? First you have to take their height. And then whichever is smaller, that is taken as base. And the other will be taken as what? Hypotenuse. Okay, so this will be the height. This will be the radius. And this will be the slant height. Okay, so please write down this. After that I will explain that. Okay, answer we need. That's why I am writing here. So here, which is the radius? Radius will be equal to what? 12 centimeter. The 8th question. Okay. Then height will be equal to 5 centimeter. And L will be equal to 13 centimeter. Here you want to find volume. Is it? So volume of the cone will be equal to, what is the volume of the cone? Formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. that is equal to 1 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7 into radius 5 into 5 into height is, sorry, radius is what? 12. So 12 into 12, height is what? 5. Okay, so 3 and this will be cancelled 4. So here 12 into 5 is, yes, 12 into 5 is 60. 60 into 4 is 240. So 240 into 22. You have to find, is it? 8, then 4, 8, 4. So 5280. So 5280 by 7 is the answer. Okay, but we need what? After that, what is one more question is there? What is the question? After that, find the ratio of the volume of the two solids given in the question number 7 and 8. We have to find the ratio of the two solids. Is it? So ratio of the two solids is equal to, please write down, ratio of volumes of two solids is equal to, first solid is what? 2200 by 7 divided by this 5280 by 7. Is it? So that is equal to 2200 by 7 into 7 by 5280. 7 and 7 cancel, 0 and 0 cancel, then by 2 it is 110, by 2 it is 264, again by 2 it is 55, by 2 it is what? 132. Okay, so did we move further? Please check whether it is divided by any number or not. Yes, 11 it can move easily, is it? By 11 it is 5 and by 11 one time, then 22, 12. Is it move further? No. So the ratio will be equal to 5 by 12. So our answer is the ratio between the two volumes is 5 is to 12. Okay, next we will move to 13.7, 9th question. Two more questions are this question and one more is there. So a heap of wheat is in the form of a cone whose diameter is 10.5. So diameter is given as 10.5 centimeter. So 10.5 means what we can write? Double of 10.5 is what? Yes, 21. Is it? 21 by 2. Diameter will come. 21 by 2 is 10.5 itself. Is it? So radius will be equal to what? 21 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is 21 by 4 centimeter. That is the diameter. Okay, sorry, radius. Okay. Then height is given as 3. So h will be equal to what? 3 meter. Sorry, both are in meter, not centimeter. Both are in meter. Okay. Then find its volume. So you can find volume. It's the shape of what? Cone. So volume of cone will be equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is what? 21 by 4 into 21 by 4 into height is what? 3. Okay. 3 and 3 we can cancel. 7 and 21 we can cancel by 3. Remaining you have to multiply and then divide by 8. That is 22 into what? 63 divided by 16 you have to find. Just find the value. Okay. After finding you got the answer as 86.625 meter cube. Please verify whether you get this answer or not. 86.625 meter cube is the volume of the cone. Why I am skipping that steps is you have to calculate yourself. This much problems, that means only the last 2 classes. Next class also I am doing like this. And you have to practice the question. When you look the question it is easy. But when we are doing it, it is difficult. Okay, that is the main problem in mathematics. That's why I am compelling you to solve the equation. This is only simple mathematics. It is just multiply and divide by 16. That's only. Not the further or the big answers will not be given. Big questions will not be given as homework. This simple one you have to do it. Okay. So please write down or check whether you get this answer or not. Okay, next part is what? The heap is to be covered by canvas to protect it from rain. Find the area of the canvas. That is, area of the canvas means what? You have to find the CSA of the cone. Is it? CSA of the cone means what? Formula is what? CSA of the cone is equal to pi RL. Radius you know, but slant height, that is CSA of the cone that you already got. But we need L. Is it? L square is equal to R square plus H square. And R square is 21 by 4. Is it? The whole square plus H square is 3 square. Okay. After doing this, that is 441 by 16 plus 9 will come. So that will be equal to 441 plus 144 by 16 will come. That is equal to 585 divided by 16 will come. So the answer will be equal to 36 points. So please divide this, and if you got the, you will get the answer as 56.56 meter. Meter or centimeter? Centimeter. Okay, sorry, centimeter. Then L will be equal to root of 36.56 by using the square root method. Listen here. 56 divided by 6 will come. So 6 times 36. Then 0.56 will come. So point we have to put here 12 by 2. Double of 6 is 12. So we didn't move 56, is it? So you have to put 0 here and here also 0. Then you have to take 2 double zeros. And then how many times? That is double of 60 is 120. Then one more number is needed. So that number is what? Maybe 4 times. Okay. Then here also 4 times. So 64, 16, 6 remainder 1. And then 12 to 8. Then 48. And remaining will be there. But we need to take just only 6.04 only value of L. Then you have to find the CSA pi RL. Pi value is what? 22 by 7 into radius is you got as 21 by 4 into L is 6.04. Okay. By calculating that, you will get the answer as 99.66 centimeter cube. Sorry, centimeter square. So please verify whether you get this answer or not. Okay. 99.66 meter or centimeter? Yes, meter only. See? Yes, by my mistake only. CSA of the cone is meter only. Okay, sorry, centimeter not meter only. Meter square will be the answer. Okay, so hope you clear today's section. One question you have to do by homework. That is example 16. Example 16, you have to do it as homework. Simple one. Just go through the question and you have to do it. Okay, so see you in the next class. Study well. Stay safe in your home itself. Bye.